Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you something really cool today. I'm going to show you how to do a magazine tape transfer, which allows you to create translucent collages. All you need is a pair of scissors, heavy-duty shipping tape, the clear kind, and magazines. So here's an example that I already made, layering about 4 different sheets from magazines, and now I'm gonna do one for you. So I've chosen 2 things, this face right here that's very contrasting, and then a short phrase that says happy returns. So I'm going to place the tape on the words happy returns, and I'm going to burnish it using the plastic ends of my scissors. I'm going to press really, really hard, rubbing back and forth so that all of that color transfers to the tape. Then I will cut out those words. Set that aside, and then I will repeat the same process for the face I have here. So again, I will place the tape on top of her face, and in this case, since her face is larger, I'm going to have to layer multiple pieces of tape together. So watch how I do this. I put the next sheet of tape just overlapping slightly, and when I put it down, I try to put one piece of the tape down and then gently press across it so that I can get it all down without any creases or air bubbles if possible. So you can see this took 4 pieces of tape, and then again I burnish it. When you're burnishing, make sure you put your magazine sheet on top of a magazine so that you have a cushion to press against, and really take your time and make sure you cover all the area. Then cut out the area that you're planning on using for your piece. And now for the fun part, the transfer. You're going to get a tub of hot water, okay? Straight from the faucet is fine, just the hottest water you can get, and put your pieces tape side down, okay? So that the actual paper part is on top. And you're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. And now look what happens. After 10 minutes of sitting, the paper will just peel right off from the tape. It is so cool. It's like magic. You can just pull it away, and even if there's a little bit of a residue left, don't worry about that because you can wash that off. So just take your fingers, just kind of scrub at it a little bit, and it'll come right off. No big deal at all. Something that's really cool about doing these magazine transfers is that you really could use either side of the tape also. So that's something to think about. If you ever want to reverse an image, you could do that. All right, so once your tape is dry, you are ready to do whatever you want with it. You could layer these pieces to create any kind of collage or mixed media piece that you wish. So what I decided to do is put it in my visual journal, which is like my sketchbook, and I just mark off the corners to start with so that I know what space I'm working with. And then I get out my markers and I go to town with them because the message of this picture I'm creating is happy returns. So this girl's pretty much all wearing black, you know, their black hair and her black sunglasses, and so I'm just gonna create all these colors underneath, make it look like it's dripping, almost like tie-dye. And then when I put the transfer on top, it has a really cool contrasting effect, and I like it. So to finish this piece, I just taped it down into my journal, and I taped around the border, the edges and in the center too. And then just for fun for this one, I decided to take a Sharpie and just create a dotted pattern around it. I just thought that was fun. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed learning about creating tape transfers, but more importantly, I hope you get out there and try to create a tape transfer yourself. Have a great time with it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more art demonstrations and tutorials. Thanks for watching.